Hi, this is Gary at WaterField Designs, and today I'm really excited to introduce our new Travel Light Dopp Kit. The reason I'm excited is that the case was really designed for me. On more than a few trips, I've used these Ziploc bags. They're easy and don't take up much space, but they don't look good at all. Certainly not when I'm taking them through the TSA lines, and on several occasions, the hotel maids have thrown them out with the garbage. So we designed the attractive and professional Travel Light Dopp Kit. Its design is a little bit like a microwave popcorn bag. It lays completely flat and then expands exactly to what you put inside. Now, I'm not one to live out of my Dopp Kit. When I get to my destination, whether it's a hotel or an Airbnb, I unpack the contents of my Dopp Kit. So having a kit with an easy to pack and unpack single main compartment is key. I don't want or need a lot of organizational pockets that add bulk and complexity. For me, it's all about having a compact kit that's easy to pack and simple to use. Now, if you have only a little, it stays small. If you have a lot, it expands to hold a lot, but it always stays flexible and easy to pack away without taking up much valuable space. The case is waterproof inside and out. If something should leak, it won't escape, and the inside is super easy to clean out. You just turn it inside out, rinse, and dry, and it's like new and ready for your return trip home. No mess and makes life easier. Our new Travel Light Dopp Kit is available in 3 sizes depending on how much gear you have: a large, a medium, and a small. And they're available in 4 colors: black, green, red, and blue. This is our new Travel Light Dopp Kit, something the maids will definitely not throw out, the TSA agents will be impressed with, and will just make your life easier. And they're available today from sfbags.com. Thanks for watching.